Watch out for the grass.
I'm sure on grass. Wait, Mom. A grass. Mom,
Okay, wait for me to catch up, hon.
Me too.
Because I'm slow.
Me so too.
Then we could be fast. Okay, you can go again. Watch out for all these little twigs and stuff.
Why?
Just be careful. That's what I said. Do you like that one?
Yeah.
Do you want one? Do you want one for at home?
Yeah.
We'll think about it, maybe for Christmas.
Christmas?
Yeah.
Why?
Because that's the next time you're going to get presents.
Mom, I'm gonna walk.
You are fast. I must be the slowest. Watch where you're going, Sophie.
There might be ketchup on stuff. Then, if you get chickenpox, then you'll eat and with hot ketchup, it'll drop on something that got hot ketchup. Then you'll get chickenpox. Then your baby will get dead.
That's a terrible story.
I'm reading a story.
Whoa, it's not a story? Is it real?
No.
Oh, is it pretend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. I'm glad that eating hot ketchup won't make my baby be dead. That would be terrible.
I'm fat.
Oh,
Sophie dead right now. Now she got a band-aid.
watch out, one.
Which way do we go?
We go right.
Right?
Yeah, or in Sophie's case, left.
Is this right? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Sophie.